everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I have some quick ideas for using rice. How about making an easy rice pudding, quick and easy, by heating up some already cooked rice in some milk of your choice, soy milk, nut milk, whatever. Add in some cinnamon, nutmeg, raisins, a little honey, and that will make a really delicious type of rice pudding, quick too. You could make some homemade veggie sushi rolls by wrapping brown rice with your favorite vegetables in sheets of well-moistened nori. That's a type of sea vegetable, seaweed. Use leftover rice for a cold rice salad. This would be a really nice, ready, easy to fix lunch for yourself. You could add in some chicken or tofu or beans or whatever protein of your choice. Add some vegetables, nuts, herbs, and spices, and you've got a really easy lunch ready to go. You could make a simple dish with beans and rice accompanied by the vegetables of your choice. That's a really common type of thing for people who don't eat meat, to have beans and rice with some vegetables, really quick and easy. If you're serving rice as a side dish and you're just tired of plain old throwing a stick of butter on there, you don't have to do that. You can spruce it up with other toppings. Include some nuts on there, sesame seeds, maybe some sauteed mushrooms and scallions, or some other vegetables. Peas and carrots blend well with it. So you can do a lot of things with rice as a side dish besides just having it plain. Another quick and easy meal, especially lunch to go, would be to take some leftover rice with some chopped up vegetables and add them into a pita bread or even wrap them in a tortilla. You could top them with some sort of a dressing that you like, and there you go. You've got an easy meal that didn't take any big effort to fix. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have other ideas to share on using rice, something quick and easy. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.